Welcome to solverfy.
We are given that n is a positive integer, and we are asked to show that the number of partitions of n into distinct parts equals the number of partitions of n into odd parts with repetitions allowed. And I'll summarize this as p0 of n equals pd of n. To prove this statement, recall that the generating function of p0n is the function 1 over 1 minus x times 1 minus x cubed times 1 minus x to the fifth, and so on. And the generating function for PD of n is 1 minus x times, instead of 1 minus x, 1 plus x times 1 plus x squared times 1 plus x cubed and we have that this is the same as 1 plus x times 1 minus x over 1 minus x times 1 plus x squared times 1 minus x squared over 1 minus x squared times 1 plus x cubed times 1 minus x cubed over 1 minus x cubed, and so on. In the numerator, we're going to have sets of differences of squares. This is equal to 1 minus x squared times 1 minus x to the fourth times 1 minus x to the sixth, and so on. And in the denominator, we're going to have 1 minus x times 1 minus x squared times 1 minus x cubed, and so on. And so we see that the terms in the numerator are going to cancel out with the even terms in the denominator. And so we end up with 1 over 1 minus x times 1 minus x cubed times 1 minus x to the fifth, and so on. You recognize that this is the same generating function for PO of n. And so it follows, since these two generating functions are equal, it follows that their coefficients must be equal for each n. And so we have that PO of n must be equal to PD of n.